Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'll be showing a very simple recipe, a rice recipe. But before I proceed, I would like to wish you guys a very happy and a Merry Christmas. I didn't make this video today, but I had the opportunity to edit it today. So guys, this is a very simple rice recipe, Moringa leaf rice recipe, as I titled it. I am going to be using just few ingredients. We will not use a lot of ingredients. The only protein I'm using here is fish, and I'll be using the stock as my base, which you're seeing right now, with pepper. That's pepper, ground chili that I added. I'll also be using salt, some Maggi cubes, not cube rather, and also rosemary, thyme, onions, and vegetable oil. This is just a template, guys. You use the seasonings according to the quantity of food you're cooking, okay? So I hope you enjoy watching this clip. I hope you enjoyed this video. Best believe me that this rice tasted so delicious. This is not even a clickbait. It tasted yummy. You can try it. I'm only showing various ways you can use your moringa leaves. The popular way people do is to use it as tea. Aside from using it as tea, you can use it also this way. You incorporate it in your rice or whatever dish. So I hope you enjoy watching. See you in my next one. Bye.